him the carrot right now.
Smile. Good job. Here you go.
I would not mess with him. Even the dog's done with it.
Away. Away.
Saklı makala. Ağam çozu taynın ağam can. Aldığı səliti baxım hələ. Ay, stop.
With that much effort, she deserves to be free.
Hi. I do love you. Are you gonna get up?
Can't a horse just sit and think in peace?
Yay or nay?
Curious cows.
You're funny.
Horses love a little rhythm.
Go away, Kyle.
If I see one, I want to go and get behind that barrel.
No. Like I was saying, it is Friday fit check. This is a fit. It is a gym fit. Can you not? Please, I'm begging you. Stop hitting me.
You kept your feelings locked inside of you. Open your heart and chances are.
I wonder what this crowd is for.
Hey.
The audacity in him will never be matched.
Can you say hey?
Hey.
Hey?
Hey.
I did not expect that.
Hey.
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 This cow decides when it's dinner time. Who needs a guard dog when you have a cat?
Holly, stop my cigarette.
How to get grandma to quit smoking cold turkey? Bring in a chicken.
And every morning we come out here, we go, "Morning, boys!" And they love it.
A very formal debate about corn.
Big one now. They love it.
Is this a secret drill we don't know about? She's got an itch that she cannot scratch. She uses 100% of her brain. You just never know what you're about to walk into with goats.
Ja, zo ja. Zo, even voor de film. Even voor de film.
That's one way to keep the fights at bay. Doesn't get more farm fresh than this. That's a federal offense in progress. Serves him right. I aspire to be as unbothered as this horse.
Okay. So.
Excuse me, he's beautiful.
And also, the camera.
Works every time.
Don't do it, Jerry! No! Jerry! Those were my grandma's ashes!
No regrets.
Get out of the house!
Jack, get out. Oh man. Okay. Jack.
This cow created its own water slide. He likes his meal.
Are you okay there, Duke?
Totally normal horse behavior. Merciless goat attack.
What are you doing to me?
Hey, Biggin. 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 Hello.
He does not like that. Efficient?
Dang it.
Life on a farm can be interesting.
Dedim akala. Akamchozu tayo ng kakamchang. Aldı ka sa ito ba kamala?
Vive la révolution!
Ay, stop la.
Is this efficient? Bro tried to square up with a feather duster. He'll never try again. They missed the no feeding the animals sign.
Who's that handsome boy?
With cows, you never really know what you're walking into. Every group has that one guy.
It's raining and we can't walk. This is where everybody's at.
They've unlocked maximum zen. How to tire your opponent out 101.
It's okay.
She just wants to be part of the force.
Go. We'll see if insurance covers that. I got it all on video. It's fine.
Now how did that get there?
Dumpling. Seriously. Let's go.
Oh, so that's what free range means.
What you see in the mirror is just your perception. Okay? It doesn't have to be like that. Other people see.
Oh! Oh! That's so...
Forget raining cats and dogs, it's raining goats here. Thomas Shelby if he had hooves. Every barn has that one cow that can't keep it together. She was hired as help.
So helpful, John.
These goats think they're ducks, so they broke into the duck enclosure to steal their food. He needed that nap. This sheep is not union approved. Goats in breeding season.
Milo de. Milo. Milo, let's go.
Ducks also have a favorite. She woke up and chose violence. Top mode of transport right there. This is personal. That installation bag knows what it did. Tom Cruise?
Come on! Come on, get back! Come on!
He's gonna have you.
People think longhorns are terrifying when they're actually this cute.
Come down. Oh my days. No, no, oh, no. Not the roof. Not the roof. Not the f***ing roof. Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. Come here, sweetie.
Straight from the source.
I know.
That no was clear as day. Ten out of 10 use of that slide. Whoever built this roof knew what they were doing.
Rufus loves bananas.
Ducks love. Horses have a sweet tooth. They ignored their own dinner to try and steal the horses. She walks the dog, the horse walks her.
Oh gosh! Oh, Freddy, fit check. Stop, please. Ah, he got me good there. Wow.
He's gonna have you.
Best mates now. Ooh! Don't.
Jax, you're winning! You're winning!
Nothing will humble your kids faster than a good old rooster. Moo Drift, Tokyo Cow. That's the farm version of Silent Judgment.
He's really smiling.
Donkey's about to file a complaint to management.
So much, what do I do with you?
Mystic! See, this is why we didn't think you were pregnant, you fat girl. Mystic, you gotta share.
I see where they got the inspo for Tigger. Running with the ducks' food? Not on their watch. A real farm love story. That grass tasted unbelievably fresh. Sir, you're not supposed to.
This one keeps his, like, piggy. Come here. No, hey,
This duck loves to talk. Independence chicken.
Ei, rapaz! Oxi! Não, senhor, vai... Eita, minha cabeça! Ele vai coisar tudo aqui, rapaz! Sai, Chiquinha! Sai, Chiquinha! Sai!
Ready? Do you want to sing?
Mad. But at least we're all together.
Flash dance, but for cows. With cows, it's never a dull day. I would be so intimidated by this. This horse has got rhythm.
You're funny.
Oh boy!
I applaud the attempt. He'll get it next time. They're waiting for the encore. And
How big you are. Everybody thinks you and Humpty are the same type of cow. This is a... Emmanuel, do not do it. Emmanuel, don't do it! Emmanuel! Don't do it.
You should be ashamed of yourself. Look at this insaneness. What? Come on, go. Huh. Come on, go. Huh.
these mamas are a unit. He identifies as a horse. He longs to be an inside pig, but his farm needs him. They just...
Jack! They're just turkeys. eat them, but don't be scared. Here's turkeys. Don't, just don't, Jack, don't.
Okay.
On your marks, get set, go! Go, Henry, go!
Henry was born to race. I'm on the goat side.
Excellent.
Get off the car. Get off.
Go on, buddy. You know you want to.
Are you kidding me? Bobby, what are you doing, bro? Yo. Hey. Is your head...
But are they running at him or with him?
Hey.
Rage baiting chicken?
You're not a duck. Get out of the water. Let's go.
All right. Come on. All right. That's enough. You okay? It's okay. That's my food.
Chickens might be small, but they're mighty. Turning around was a crucial mistake. I would build them an entire playground.
What's happening? Make him stop.
Emu cuddles are not refundable. She learned that the hard way. The chickens are addicted to horse food? You can summon a sheep with anything that sounds like food. Even
Steven! I thought you were dead!
Nope, just napping.
Go right on your head.
You stepped on my foot.
How to get the maximum food? Dig in before it's served.
Baking soda in here.
These two have been sworn enemies since they were born.
Mais Charlotte? Mais...
Charlotte, this isn't a self-serve restaurant.
Merci.
Hey.
What in the are you doing?
Average day at the goat farm. This is how I find out goats can laugh.
God. Are you kidding me, bro?
Hydration at all costs.
I'm about to be late for work. Peanut butter. What in the heck did you get yourself?
Lo vecino creerán que se va muriendo.
Come on, Smokey. Good boy. Yee-hoo! Whoa.
He really.
How are you gonna get out? You want help?
Right in the face. Go. Okay, get it on her.
This is why llamas don't get invited to kids' parties. These chickens have never seen snow before.
What are you doing, big boy?
The fact that even he is laughing here makes this funnier.
Okay, that was terrifying.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. Do you have time to talk? Lord, save your
Cows can be scary when they want to.
Lord.
And they're still.
This cow is moving up in life.
Come here. Bean. Come on, Bean. Bean. Come here.
Look at Pepper's ass. Come on, Billy Earl. Y'all see that motherfucker? That's it.
Oh, you thought Goat Simulator was a stretch?
Come here. What are you doing?
He's not even stuck, just
What's in
vibing.
there? That's some kind of.
Oh, don't jump. Don't jump. Oh, mate.
Your nose is not. There you go.
It's not funny. Come on, mate.
Just stand still. If you stay still, he won't do anything to you.
Oh, what I'd give to be stuck in this traffic.
One has a bar.
Cows are just like dogs.
Well, I guess it worked.
And now presenting the best sit of the year.
Can y'all do that?
And I saw this little. Look at him.
Goat, huh? Come here. Don't run away.
He's the main character, and it's his arc.
Qual é a ração? Será que ele quer? Quer nada? Peraí.
Whatever language turkeys speak, he knows it. Now that's express delivery. Good idea.
Really? Cool. Morning!
That's some farm burnout right there.
Yeah.
Cogburn the rooster delivered a life lesson. No words needed. Humbled himself. I mean, she's having a better summer than me.
Right here is why we don't crawl.
Translation, shut up and help!
Helping Dad fix the window.
There we go. Is that to see what I'm working with here?
Hey! Stand up.
To help the cow.
When you let your intrusive thoughts win.
กินไหมกิน
Never seen cows this clear about their choice.
Neighbor's house. He on the roof. This mother. Look at him. Get your.
Can you feed him? Because I think he's really hungry.
Yeah, I think he can see that.
Okay, feed him.
When your cow doesn't like the new food. It's giving fast and fluffy. This horse is a heavy metal fan.
Good morning. Hi, buddy. Did you sleep good? Okay.
What have you done?
The kind of sass that cannot be contained. In case you thought turkeys were boring.
네. 여기 있어요.
Aqui não. Peraí, vai derrubar a bacia, Chico. Peraí, vá pra lá, vá. Desça que eu vou levar pra lá, peraí. Eita! É, Chico, peraí.
Who's that handsome? Who is that?
He just found out he's handsome. Your own pig treadmill.
What's going on? Michael, you poor sweet thing.
He has no concept of personal space.
I think he senses your fear. Get over there and face him. No, get over there and face him. You can't run from him. He's gonna win.
Turkeys can't be real.
Yeah, win it! Win it! Yeah! Yeah! Win it! Win it!
They're just horsing around. Bull 1, tractor 0.
Excuse me.
Well, well, if it isn't the consequences of his own actions. It takes one plastic bag to break a horse. He checked the electric fence and got zapped. These two just got FOMO. This cow wanted to test the theory. Is the grass greener on the other side?
Fat.
Yeah, suddenly you're not so brave.
Bye bye, you gotta get you, man.
A prodigy.
Sorry, I can't go to work today. I have a cat on my lap.
Well, you're fired.
That's okay.
No, come on, this way. This way. No, my goodness. No, my goodness. Oh, thank you.
The goat has entered its spa era. At least they didn't panic. Delicious.
Birdie Sanders, how you doing? Morning, Birdie. There you go, Kyle. Kyle!
Oh, God. What's your key? Hey! You got to go! Pull up!
And just like that, the flock. Me before morning coffee. She just wanted to have a seat.
He'll get you, man. It's the YouTube moment, man.
Why do women live longer? Men just horsing around. This woman speaks fluent turkey.
Good morning, buddy. Hi.
Why is there a goat? Guys! What? Goat!
Turn your back for 1 second and there's a goat on the couch. Exhibit 4000, horses are basically dogs.
Oh my days, no, no, oh, no, not the roof, not the roof, not the
Goat King.
Hey, cut this out.
Hey. No, come on, this way. This way. No, my goodness, no, my goodness. Oh.
Maybe I shouldn't have left the footbath like that. One is looking for the escape route. No, please don't jump over. Just come back.
No, you!
Sheep are not exactly known for following. He got that dog in him.
Middle of the road, donkey. Come on. Donkey. Come on. Sorry. Donkey, come on.
Have you signed up for your car's extended warranty? Do it now. This man's laugh is 40% joy, 60% fear. He's got snow on his whiskers.
Hey, man, you got a problem? Hey, what's the deal? What's the problem? What did I ever do to you? You're being pretty. Oh, shoot! Hey!
My train! My train!
Hey!
Oh my gosh!
Haley! Almighty!
You can do it. If you step forward one more step, sir.
The emu runs this farm.
ไม่เอาไม่โอ้ยมึงออกมาไหมมึงออกมาเถอะขนาดเนี้ย
Snowy faces. Hey, Pudge. Hi.
Sheep are cute, but sheep with snowy faces? Next level. Sheep are extremely overdramatic. He's training for the Farm Olympics. I couldn't have guessed that.
What in the are you doing? Get out of there. Hold on, guys.
Okay. Well, there you go. Thank you. That's my hood, dude.
Viv, get off the car. Me right now? What are you doing?
Having fun?
Come on. Come on, let's get you out of here. We gotta untangle you. Come on, let's twist you around. Come on.
Thankfully, they ducked.
He's fat. He's fed real good.
And then you got Donkey over here.
Come on. Stop headbutting me. Come on. There we go.
Emmanuel, every time. Emmanuel, don't do it. Emmanuel, don't do it.
There's one thing you need to know about Emmanuel. He'll 100% do it.
Please, every day we go through this. God.
You're actually pretty good. Hey,
You file my nails, I wash your hair.
Oh, Lord, he's getting ready to go again. Uh-oh, he's backing up. Oh, man.
Bam!
Let me up. All right, let me hug you.
And there he goes.
This cow's named Chug. Can you guess why?
Hey, can I help you with something?